Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just here in this middle of the day update, a quick view here, looking at the micro count basically. I just want to go through the micro count with you just to give you a better feel for where we are, because Bitcoin is probably the most critical one at the moment, just hovering above that 27.8k level that I've been highlighting for the last couple of days after we broke below 29.4. That was a first warning. We've been highlighting that. Now it's come to the next support at 27.8. Next possible turning point here. Currently doesn't look like it yet, but these can always turn around at an instant, especially if the stock market opens in a favorable way or something, okay? So first of all, I'm not gonna talk about the higher degree assumption anymore in this video. It's just a quick middle of the day update. We assume we peaked in a wave 1 at the moment here on the 14th of April. Came down in a wave W. Why is it a wave W? I had a few questions because I can count it nicely as an ABC structure. So I can count it as an A wave. Yeah, I can count this as a B wave and this as a C wave. Yeah, to the downside here. What I cannot really do is, ABC, but it can't be an A wave. Yeah, you can get A waves as ABC, but then the B wave would normally be higher. So I can have to consider it as a wave W. It's a three-wave structure, but the wave W allows that the ABC structure within it is a zigzag. Anyway, that's just an academic detail. Don't worry about it too much. Then we've got the X wave, which is also an ABC. A wave, B wave, C wave. And I will take these subwave structures off at some point again. It's just sort of for a bit of a learning exercise as well. And then we've got here now this move down, yeah, which would be the wave A. At the moment, I'm counting that as an A wave of a larger Y wave. So the whole thing, and I explained that thoroughly in the previous video, the whole thing that's coming down here, to me at the moment makes the impression of a WXY pattern. This might still morph, this might still change, but more important than trying to figure out what exactly are the waves here, is where could this go? And at the moment, I have no evidence that we've bottomed here. We've got support at 27.8k, below that 26.7, then 25.3, 23.9, and 22k. I do now expect in the coming weeks or months the price to get into this area here, at least to the 50% Fibonacci retracement, but we might see a bounce before that, a corrective bounce in a B wave before we come down lower. So the Y wave itself of this larger WXY structure should consist of A, B, C. And my take is that this A wave is nearly done. Not done yet, or at least there is no evidence at this stage. But the lower degree wave structure suggests that we could be nearly done, because we've got enough waves, but we just need price to confirm that. So then we've got in this lower degree price structure, we had a small 1, a 2. We had our wave 3. So just an explanation, the A wave is a 5-wave move. So we're looking for 5 waves complete. So I've got already wave 3 complete with a subwave structure here that you can see. Then we had a wave 4, which 3, 4, let me just think, is that correct? That would sit here. And then I have in this wave 5 here, which might still be unfolding, a possible ending diagonal of wave A. Again, this is really just, I mean, not so important to understand every little subwave here, but a lot of people ask, 1, 2, then this was possibly a 3, and we had here 4, and this could be a 5. That might still be unfolding though. Wave 5 of 5. So it just tells us that this could be nearly at the end. And we've reached critical support, 27.8k, a really critical moment here. But as long as we don't break above at least 28,380, that would be a very first indication that we've bottomed here locally. We have to expect further downside. Yeah? You can even add here a trend line that might guide you and give you an idea of when we might break out. More or less like that. Yeah, they're not perfect, these trend lines, but they can give you an understanding. Yeah, it looks a bit like a price channel here, like an impulsive price channel within the A wave. But yeah, this is sort of the situation we're in. So Bitcoin needs to make a decision. Yeah, it's just hovering below the trend line. It's just hovering above support. So it's sort of squeezed into this apex, and it will have to make a decision. Move to the upside would indicate that we've got a B wave happening here. Yeah, this B wave. And then we will have resistance in the area between 29,130 and 29.9K. If we see a reaction here and come down, we'd be looking at the C wave to head further into our target area. A break above 29.9K would be quite bullish and might force a reinterpretation of the count in a more bullish way. Yeah, so these are sort of the key points, I think, the key points of reference here on the lower time frame. Hope that makes sense. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.